recording another video on OSSU CS. Yeah, I solved the problem. I was stuck at it last time. And really what happened was that I was here for, so here's the actual solution, the ideal solution, and here's my solution. But the funny thing was that they were about to close the library, so I had to pack up. But then when I went upstairs, where they actually have all those tables and everything, I solved it within 5 minutes, and it wasn't such a difficult thing to solve. And this was the function body. And so I solved it with if first. If you remember in my previous video, I was using if. I removed that if. And basically, I think I'll make it full screen so you can see it much better. I didn't enclose it within proper commas. No, not within proper commas. I didn't enclose it within proper parentheses. Yeah, so if I compare it to the ideal solution, it's exactly the same. Where we differ actually is I forgot to include this kind of test in my check expect. And what this kind of test is missing. And really what it is testing for is that what the answer should be if there's an empty string. I think it is very important because it is less than 5. The value would be 0 and the answer would be true. So I didn't expect this test. Here it's additionally this in the ideal solution they have hard-coded 5 and it's 4 letters, so it's obviously less than 5, so this should be true. And then here they have hard-coded 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, so make it full screen. So they have hard-coded 5 and they have called it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I don't know if this is important because if you encode anything into double quotes, then it is a string. So I don't know how important this test is, but I didn't include it. And then they have included 80. And 80 obviously, it's 6 letters, so it's obviously not less than 5, so it's false. So my tests are a little bit different. As you know, I have Trubbish here. And I have house here, so this is exactly equal to 5, and the equivalent to that is this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 here. But I think these tests are better than so I'm going to post this on the Discord community probably, or maybe not, because I get the main point. Really the problematic one is, I think, this one. Do we really need this kind of test? And the big difference is between its purpose and my purpose. So this is just a one-liner. The produce true if the length of S is less than 5. And my purpose here is it consumes a string of given length and determines whether the length of string is less than 5. So it's pretty long, so I don't think it has to be that long. But other than that, I mean, yeah, that's most of the answers. That's like 2 out of 6 points, and especially this testing part. But the function body, the stub, and the signature, they are identical. So I have used str. These guys used an s. So I used str. This guy used an s. So yeah, and the template is also similar. So out of the 6 things, most of it is similar. I failed to add an extra test, which I realized later. But and my purpose is very long. But other than that, it has 4 tests. I have 4 tests. So yeah, the number of tests was 3 before I added this. Before I checked for the answer. But yeah, most of it is similar. Other than that, there's one more question which I will solve, but I just want to share a little bit of thing here, a little bit of personal anecdote. So you see how like teaching can make you a lot of money, but it's been really hard to find platforms where I could tutor, and I don't know if I want to do that. I want to share my progress with CS on this, and then I want to make money because, as I said, I'm homeless, but still. Yeah, that was it. I'll solve the next one. I'll post it on Discord if this is true. If this is necessary, because I don't know if it is. And yeah, like and subscribe. Stay tuned for more, and consider donating through PayPal. And peace out.